Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make the fold out panel card. We're actually going to be making this one with the lovely lipstick and the Melon Mambo. And this is the fold out part of the card. Isn't it great? And then the back side. And I added a piece of Whisper White because this isn't your typical card. This is a quarter sheet of cardstock which is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So the whole card part of the fold out is the base of the card. And I love that. So then I also made this one using the Grapefruit Grove and the Calypso Coral. So cute. Back side. And then this one is using another in color, the Blueberry Bushel with the Pacific Point. And that opens up like that. And the back side. So I'm also going to use the new in color, the 2018 through 2020 designer paper pack for all the cards. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the in color pack of designer paper, and there's 6 by 6. And you're going to get a total of 40 sheets of this designer paper. I'm going to show you all the colors here. Okay, so you're going to get the double-sided. This is the Grapefruit Grove, and this is the Pineapple Punch. Of course, the lovely lipstick, which is beautiful, double-sided. And then this is Call Me Clover, cute. I love the names they pick for the colors. And then this is the Blueberry Bushel. Cute. All right, so those are the brand new in colors for 2018 through 2020. And now let me show you the coordinating colors that I picked to make these cards. All right, so this is Blueberry Bushel, Pacific Point, and then the Night of Navy. So you can see those colors really coordinate nice together. And then this one is the Grapefruit Grove, right here. And then the Pumpkin Pie. And then the Calypso Coral. I always think that the Calypso Coral and the Grapefruit Grove look really nice together. So that's that one. Okay, so then we're using today the lovely lipstick, beautiful. And then we're also using the Melon Mambo. And then also with the Real Red. So you can see the Real Red compared to the lovely lipstick here. Hopefully that shows up. The colors. Beautiful. All right, so then for the combination that these are the 2 colors that I didn't get to make yet, but I was thinking that I was going to make them after the video. So this is the Pineapple Punch, and then I thought I would use it with the Crushed Curry, and then you can also see the difference with the Daffodil Delight. So let me show you the Daffodil Delight up next to the Pineapple Punch. So bright and cheerful. Okay, so then this is the last one. This is the Call Me Clover. Now there's a few greens that we have in our collection. So this is the Garden Green. And then this is the Old Olive. This is the Lemon Lime Twist. And then this is the brand new Granny Apple Green. So, oh my gosh, those greens look so pretty and so different, which you would think that these two would be very similar, but when you see them next to each other, you can tell they're quite a bit of difference. All right, so I'm going to make these 2 colors here with the Pineapple Punch and then the Call Me Clover later. So stay tuned to my blog. You can see those posted over there. All right, so let me give you the measurements. You're going to need a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. And then your base is the Melon Mambo, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then the lovely lipstick, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have another piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4 for the back side. And then for the folded out part, you're going to need another piece of Melon Mambo, and this is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. Okay, so then for the designer paper sizes, these are all cut at 4 inches long. This piece is cut at 1 1/4 by 4. This piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 4. And then this piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 4. Okay, so let's grab our Stampin' Trimmer. Okay, so we're going to score. This is on the 11-inch side, and we're going to score at 1 1/2, 3, 5 1/2, and 8. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and fold all the score lines. And this is a good time to take your bone folder and burnish all those edges really nice. You want that card to lay flat as possible, just like that. Okay, all right, now we're going to do some stamping. So grab some Whisper White, and the stamp set we're using is called the Picture Perfect Birthday, and it looks like this. So cute. Let me grab my Memento ink, And we're going to stamp this Happiest of Birthdays to You for the front. So I'm going to use this Whisper White piece and we're going to cut that out with the Big Shot. Okay, and then before we stamp the images and the inside of the card, I'm going to go ahead and add the designer paper to it. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so then this is how it looks when it's folded up. All right, now let's go ahead and stamp our other two greetings. Okay, so we're going to stamp this greeting. Today we celebrate wonderful, brilliant, fabulous you over here. Okay, and then this celebrate the good stuff is going to be stamped on the back panel. Okay. All right, so let's grab our Big Shot. Okay, so I'm going to be using the layering square framelits. We're going to use this one to cut out Happiest of Birthdays to You. Fits in there perfect. So let's run that through the Big Shot. Okay, so there's our greeting. Now we're going to cut out the Melon Mambo with the next size up in the square with the scallop. So cute. All right, so let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. Okay, so let's bring in our pieces. We're going to go ahead and layer all our pieces together now. So we're just going to go ahead and use the snail adhesive. I'm going to put the lovely lipstick on the Melon Mambo. Okay, so now when we're adding our greeting to the front, you want to make sure you don't put any adhesive on the whole back, because remember, we're just going to put it on this one side front panel, and then when you're opening up the card, you don't want this to adhere to any other section over here. So we're just going to put 3 dimensionals along the back side on the left. Okay, so I got my dimensionals and we're just going to set this on the front, just like that. And when you open it, oh, isn't it cute? I love it. Okay, so there's the lovely lipstick with the Melon Mambo. Let me show you the other two again. Okay, so here's the Blueberry Bushel with the Pacific Point. Love it. And then here's the Grapefruit Grove with the Calypso Coral. So cute. Okay, so if you have any questions, just please let me know, and then I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.